All right, why is cigarette smoking so bad for you? Well, we know your lungs, right? We know your lungs, right? Because you smoke cigarettes, that goes into your lungs, it damages the alveoli, it puts just tar and crap in your lungs, right? Pretty obvious that that's not good for you, right? But it increases cancer of other kinds, liver, right? Like all these other cancers that go up when you do this. It increases heart disease, right? You're more likely to have heart attacks, and has nothing to do with what's going on in your lungs. It has to do with those chemicals that you're taking in are inflammatory, right? And so you're creating this chronic inflammation in your body, and that chronic inflammation has been linked to, name a disease and chronic inflammation has been linked to it, right? It's one of those that chronic inflammation can be really bad just for your body in general, right? Is that every other process has a problem with chronic inflammation.